Today I'll show you how to work with Firebase authentications and by signing in an existing user. Let's start. So we already have a project that's successfully connected with Firebase. Or if you don't have it, we go to Tool and Firebase. And in this Firebase, you go to Authentications and Email and Password Authentications. So make sure that you connect your app to Firebase and add Firebase authentications to the app. Okay, so the next step will be we'll declare the Firebase authentication. So Firebase authentication, Firebase authentication get instant. Okay, there we go. And now we'll try to call the method Firebase dot. So it will be here sign in with existing user. So it will be sign in with email and password. Okay, so let's say we can get a username and password from somewhere, and we'll put it here, my uni 10 and 01 Gmail, and password will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. And after that we'll try to check if it's successful. Add on complete listeners, new on complete listeners. So if the task is successful, then we will try to, let's say we toss a message saying that success, right? And if it's not successful, so we might have to toss also a message, but it will be, let's say we say task get exceptions to string. Okay, so because we already have, remember, because we already have in our authentication database, we already have 2 users, and with the password, in a reverse video, we already created that. So now just need to check it. Okay, so let's click run and open our virtual device. So we expect to see the success message because we have passed in correct username and password. Let's see. Okay, so you see the success message here. Now let's continue. So we want to get username and password from a login form instead of hard-coded. So we go to the activities, and in this activity we will try to pull a layout. Let's say the layout will be linear. Okay, so in this linear we write plain text and then a password and then a button. Okay, so we'll change this text into, let's say, login. Okay, and this will be the password. So it's edit text you, and the name will be edit text. Okay, so we can change this one into, let's say, tst username or email, and this one will be the txt password, for example. Okay, and we can change this one here. Instead of name, we change the hint. Search for the hint. No, placeholder. No. Okay, so just remove it. Okay, because it's not necessary. Okay, so now we go back to our main activities, and we should copy and paste everything here into a method. Let's say public void sign, public void sign in method. Okay, and we'll get the username and password from sorry, not username. We get the email and password from here, and we declare this Firebase as a properties here, as a field here. Okay, so we can try to do that, and then here we get the field. Okay, and the username and password we'll get it from the param, not from the hard-coded value. Okay, and in here we'll call sign in. Okay, and we need to pass username and password or email and password. We do that by, let's say, edit text, and let's say txt email equals file view by id dot id dot, let's say txt email, and then edit text again, txt password file view by id r.id dot txt password, right? So we get username and password here, and we get a button as well. So button file view by id r.id dot button. Okay, and we assign an event to this button. Set on click listener, new on click listeners, and when user click that button, we'll call the sign in method. And in the sign in method, we pass in the txt email get text, right? Get text, and then toString, and then txt password get text, and then toString. Okay, there we go. So let's run it again and see what happens. Okay, so we have here the place to type email, that type my uni 10 gmail.com, and the password will be 12345 6, and then I'll click the login buttons. Okay, we need to disappear this. Okay, success. And I will put, let's say, a wrong password, for example. See what happened with a wrong password. Nothing. So we expect to see, some, okay, password is invalid and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more video.